touches the sphere of your work. Work includes education. Please understand this. It is not only where, like, a place where you get a salary is a workplace. No, not at all. Even a person who goes for an interview to some workplace falls under this law. So it is very broad. If it relates to your work, I am repeating this times and again because you need to understand this, because you will find somebody or the other who will come up and say, no, this is not a workplace. This did not happen in our campus. This did not happen in our office premises. It's immaterial when there is offense that has been committed. So if somebody is on probation, and if there are allegations being made, it is a defense that the person is trying to make. No matter what, if the offense has been committed, punishment has to be awarded. That is how it works. So never ever worry about that, the person would come back and my character would be questioned, and they will say that, people will question my conduct, that why was I spending time with him. No, don't think about all that. Alright? Because eventually, if an incident takes place, somewhere manipulation is involved. Right? So you don't have to think about what defense the other party is going to take. You have to be strong enough. You have to voice it. That is how it works. I hope that answers the question.
Yes, sir. Thank you.